Hello students, once again I am here with you with chapter 6, and in chapter 6 I have completed all the questions. Exercise A, exercise B, exercise C, okay, and exercise D, question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this I have completed, and then exercise E, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I hope now you can learn and write all the question answer of exercise A, B, C, D and E. Okay, now the value waste, come to the value waste question. Okay, now in the value waste question, first see the paragraph. See what is the paragraph. See this. This is the paragraph. Amit's father organized a party on his birthday. Many food items were prepared for the guests. A good amount of food was left over after the party. Amit asked his parent to distribute that food among the children in the nearby slum. They immediately packed the food and went to distribute it. The children were quite happy while eating the food. Amit felt satisfied by sharing the food item with those children. So this is the paragraph, and now you have to answer the question answer of this this value based question. See this. These are the questions. Number 1, the list the values displayed by Amit and his parents. Second one is the do you think Amit and his parents did the right thing by distributing the food among the slum children? Okay, so these are the two questions. And question number 3, see the question number 3. Have you ever had a chance to feed a needy person? Share your experience, if any, with the class. Okay, so if you have the experience to help the needy person, then you share with your classmates. So don't write this question number 3, don't write. Okay, just you discuss with your friends. So now come to the question number 1. List the values displayed by Amit and his parent. Now see the answer. The answer is the value displayed by the Amit and his parent are we should not waste food items, and leftover food items should be given to the needy people. Okay, we should not waste food items, and leftover food items should be given to the needy people. Okay, and the second question is do you think Amit and his parent did the right thing by distributing the food among the slum children? Yes, they did the right thing. Okay, so we will write this answer. Only this much you have to write. Okay, so these are the answer of question 1 and 2, and question number 3 you will discuss. What will you do? You will share your experience with your classmate. Okay, share your experience. Okay, share your so this is not you will not write this question answer 3. You will write only question answer of 1 and question answer of 2. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope now everything is clear to you. In question number E, give 3 reasons for a spoilage of the food. 3 reasons for a spoilage of the food are microorganism, enzymes, insects, worms and rat. Okay, how is food preservation useful to us? See this, you have to write all these 5 points. They are very important. And now see here Question number 3, that question number 3 is the why is it important to check the manufacturing and expiry date before consuming the food item? It is important to check the manufacturing and expiry date of packaged food item before consuming them, because after expiry date food items get spoiled. And now question number 4, explain the following method of food preservation. So dehydration, the process of removing water from a substance, is called dehydration. In this process, water content of the food stuff is removed and we can preserve them. Now canning and bottling. Canning involves cooking food, sealing it in a sterile can or jars, and boiling the containers to kill or weaken any remaining bacteria through a form of sterilization. This is about the canning and bottling. Pasteurization, it is the process in which the food product is subjected to pressurized heating for a short time followed by immediate cooling. And number 5 is the papaya. Question is the one papaya is on the kitchen shelf and one is the in the refrigerator, then which will ripen first? We will write the answer that the papaya kept on the kitchen shelf will ripen first, because at room temperature enzymes are more active. Okay, so that's all for today. Now we will do the value based question in classwork copy. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.